Hi everybody, I'm Walt Lewis and we're here with another Fire Engineering Training Minutes. Today we're going to utilize our UAVs on the Fireground and show the value of what an eye in the sky can give for us as the incident commander and also the personnel operating on the ground. I've got Jason Revoldt helping me out, utilizing some of the Orlando Fire Department UAV equipment, and we're going to put some to the test. Let's work out the scenario and see how it plays out for us.
Let's do it.
In this case, we see the wildfire and how intense it is, what kind of fuel it has, where it's spreading to, if any structures are in danger, any access roads we may not be familiar with, and in this case, the helicopter that's making the attack on the head of the fire. We certainly want them to be aware that we have a drone up in the air, be able to coordinate those efforts so we don't interfere with them, but still be able to keep eyes on this fire. Here we've got an apartment fire, well advanced, heavy fire showing from the first and second floor. The view from the front is obscured, you got heavy smoke, and the view on the front is different from the one on the rear. Being able to get eyes on the sky gives us another vantage point of seeing how intense this fire is, how many other occupancies are in danger, and help the incident commander make their decisions on what their next move is going to be. Now we can see the roof crew is going to work for vertical ventilation. We can keep eyes on their progress, see how well they make their cut, if the fire is going to impinge on them, if they miss on some of the clues that indicate that they need to evacuate from the roof or get to a safer location, or cease their cut and make another cut in another spot. It's just another set of eyes for them to be able to utilize and for the incident commander to make decisions with. We're also able to track the personnel, keep accountability, and off to the left we can see our hose stretches going in place and see how our fire attack is making progress. While we can tell that we've got water getting applied to the fire, we can also see if we have opposing hose streams or ineffective hose streams, those that may be shooting over their intended target and not necessarily hitting their area of fire. Be able to provide that information back to the company officers or the incident commander and help them make the decision on changing tactics if necessary. Here we see the fire has advanced a little bit further into the timeline. We've cut off the building so that what has been burning is going to be sacrificed, but cutting it off so that we can save what the rest of the structure we can. Trench cut's been in place. We've got hose lines in place to help keep that fire spread from going through the attic space. And we're able to keep eyes on our personnel on the roof. Outside fire attack, we're able to check our hose streams to see if their placement is adequate. And if necessary, call for additional alarms to put the resources we need in place based on what we see from just this view as well. With the intensity of the fire, we'd expect a collapse, and here we see a portion of the roof drop in. Having these eyes in the sky help us anticipate those surprises and help us keep our people safe, as well as apply our hose streams where we want them, put our apparatus where we need them, and just make an efficient fire ground.
So as you can see, having an extra set of eyes up in the sky to be able to see what the incident commander can't, to what other personnel may not be able to see, such as a victim at the windows when somebody's not looking, or the smoke condition changing, or the ladders being placed in what they were reported, or the water streams and the hose streams being applied like they say. It's another valuable tool to help the fire incident commander to make determinations of what is going to help keep his people safe. Jason, I can't thank you enough for coming out and helping make that happen.
It's our pleasure.
So for Fire Engineering's Training Minutes, I'm Walt Lewis.
And I'm Jason Revoldt.
Thanks for watching.